Welcome to IPTV World, the home of true streaming freedom. If you're fed up with high cable bills and want an easier, stronger way to catch your must-see shows, you've landed in the right spot. In today's video, we'll walk you step by step through IPTV Smarters Expert, one of the friendliest IPTV apps. And we'll pair it with the cool tools that come with REVSFR IPTV, a provider folks have trusted for years. First, let me explain what puts REVSFR IPTV above the crowd. It's not just another app, it's a real replacement for old school TV that gives you control over what, when, and how you watch. With REVSFR IPTV, your favorite movies, live sports, and binge-worthy series are always ready. And the best part is it usually costs less than standard cable or satellite plans. What you get when you join REVSFR IPTV: more than 30,000 live channels from nearly every country. Over 150,000 on-demand movies, shows, and documentaries. Works on all big gear Android, iPhone, Windows PC, Smart TV, Fire Stick, Mag, Enigma 2. Crystal clear 4K Ultra HD picture. Fresh content every day, including live sports, optional adult channels, and pay-per-view events. 24/7 chat help, so someone is always on. Watch on 1 to 5 devices at once. Pay with credit card, PayPal, or crypto BTC and USDT. REVSFR IPTV kicks off at only $7.99 for a whole month of endless channels and shows. So you know the basic plan is already hard to beat. Still, true bargain hunters will smile once they pick a longer stretch and see how much more they save. Why waste cash paying each month when you can lock in the same premium service for far less? Snag the 3-month bundle for just $17.99, and your tally shrinks to only $5.99 per month. Better yet, grab the 6-month option at $32.99 and watch the cost drop to about $5.49 each month. Yet the real trophy deal is the 12-month plan for $44.99. That slams the monthly price down to an eye-poppin' $3.75. So whether you watch now and then or stay glued to the TV all weekend, REVSFR has a package that makes sense for your wallet. Head over to REVSFR.com. Pick your plan and start streaming smarter today. Getting started with REVSFR IPTV is a snap. Just follow these quick steps and you're on your way. Steps to start: visit REVSFR.com. Choose the subscription plan that fits you. Enter your name, email, and device info. Pick a payment method: PayPal, card, or crypto. Check your inbox for the IPTV login details. Open IPTV Smarters Expert or your favorite player. Type in the username and password you received. That's really all there is to it. Now we can move on to the fun part, learning all the cool things IPTV Smarters Expert lets you do. What is IPTV Smarters Expert? IPTV Smarters Expert turns your REVSFR subscription into a full entertainment hub. With this single app, you can watch live TV, stream movies, catch up on missed shows, and even browse series. Fast, friendly, and loaded with handy tools, it makes IPTV viewing a breeze. Why choose IPTV Smarters? Expert: clean, modern design that looks great on any screen. Built-in EPG, electronic program guide, shows what's live and coming up. Accepts channels through M3, Uplink, or Xstream codes. Directly works with your REVSFR login info. Picture-in-picture, parental controls, and subtitles. Free to download with optional low-cost extras. IPTV Smarters Expert is available on Android phones and tablets, iPhones and iPads, Samsung and LG Smart TVs, Amazon Fire Stick Android TV boxes, Windows and Mac OS via app or emulator. Install it on any of these devices, enter your REVSFR details, and start watching. How to download and install IPTV Smarters Expert for Android, iOS. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search IPTV Smarters Expert, tap Install. For Fire Stick, enable apps from unknown sources. Use Downloader app to install the APK from IPTVSmartersExpert.com. For smart TVs, go to your TV's App Store. Search IPTV Smarters Expert, install, and open it. How to log in with REVSFR IPTV. Choose Login with Xstream Codes API. Enter your REVSFR IPTV credentials from email. Username password server, URL, click Login. Boom, you're in. Now you can start exploring live channels, movies, series, and more. What is IPTV? IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television. Basically, it delivers live and on-demand TV content over the internet instead of satellite or cable. Pros of IPTV: affordable pricing, global content, no contracts, on-demand access, multi-device viewing. Cons: needs stable internet. Is IPTV legal? IPTV apps like IPTV Smarters Expert are 100% legal. However, your content source matters. That's why we recommend trusted providers like REVSFR IPTV. Always play it safe. IPTV is illegal. Not always. Depends on provider. REVSFR IPTV is legal. IPTV service ever not play it safe. IPTV has bad quality is legal. Try REVSFR IPTV's 4K streams. Too technical. Not anymore. IPTV Smarters Expert is beginner friendly. IPTV for sports fans and global viewers. Want to watch football from the UK, cricket from India, or NBA from the US? REVSFR IPTV has you covered, with live sports, pay-per-view events, and region-specific channels available worldwide. There you have it, your full guide to using IPTV Smarters Expert with the power of REVSFR IPTV. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for more IPTV guides from IPTV World. Ready to cut the cord? Head to REVSFR.com and start your IPTV journey today. And let us know in the comments, what app or topic should we cover next? More tutorials? More tips? We're here for you.